Solar hot water takes the sun's heat and turns it into usable thermal energy. When the collectors on your roof are warmer than your water tank, a differential temperature controller then activates a pump. This pump then circulates a non-toxic antifreeze mix up to the solar collectors on your roof where the fluid heats up. The solar heated fluid is then pumped to a super insulated storage tank where it gives off its heat as it passes through a heat exchanger. It's then pumped back to the roof to continue the cycle as long as the sun is shining. From May to September, all of the hot water you use for washing dishes, clothes, or taking showers will be provided by the sun, even on cloudy days. In the darker months of winter, the sun will still help out, but a backup unit, such as a boiler or electric element, will run to ensure a steady supply of hot water. Instead of running all summer, your boiler will only fire up when it's required as a backup unit, heating the second coil in the upper part of your tank.
The solar water heater consists of an insulated box that is painted black from inside. In this box, copper pipes are fitted in the form of a coil. These copper pipes are painted black from outside. The box is covered with a glass lid to prevent the loss of heat due to convection and radiation. The ends of the pipe are connected to the storage tank.